What does massage and body work look like for these difficult conditions? Introducing the head to toe detox. This session is formulated to incorporate different styles of cupping, contrast therapy for the feet, belly, and head, face, and neck, very specific techniques of lymphatic drainage, and much more. I'm certified in Ashiatsu, so I'm no stranger to giving my clients the most pressure they can handle. But what happens when even the deepest pressure results in no change to your client's tissue? Genetic disorders, connective tissue disorders, and many other pathologies will result in extremely fibrotic, dense tissue. Clients with these conditions need more than just more smashing. Healthy tissue is the standard, supple, well oxygenated, and responsive to pressure and movement. On one end of the spectrum lies dense fibrotic tissue marked by stagnation and limited circulation. On the other end lies thin, weak tissue lacking tone and resilience, leaving it vulnerable to injury and poor recovery. When pressure isn't enough, it's time to start pulling all the levers that can result in actual tissue change. The body isn't just muscle. It's a layered, interconnected system. Epidermis, dermis, fascia, lymphatic pathways, and blood vessels all working together. And at the core of the lymphatic system's drainage highway is a cisterna. We need to add breath work to our body work. The phrenic nerve and vagus nerve are critical players in diaphragm function and parasympathetic regulation. Vibration can be one of the levers we pull in affecting tissue change. Vibration isn't just a gadget, it's a science-backed tool for improving circulation, supporting lymphatic flow, and treating clients with complex conditions. Vibration increases blood flow and microcirculation. It stimulates venous dilation via endothelial shear stress, enhances lymphatic drainage, and reduces edema up to 4 times more effectively than just manual lymphatic drainage alone. Your clients don't need harder hands. They need a therapist who understands tissue on every level, from dense, fibrotic tissue to weak, fragile structures. You'll learn how to read the spectrum of tissue health and apply the right tools at the right time.
Up, and I'm going to turn it this way. I'm going to pick up their foot with my left hand, my right elbow in their glute. So I can do this, and I get more territory. It has like 5 or 6 different reasons why it's working, and it's not all because we're smashing muscles. That was articulating the pelvis over the head of the femur in internal rotation. And if you want to change, so look at their body, change your body to where it matches, their back is towards your head, so you can pull with you. Exactly. Always use momentum and gravity in your favor. Have you ever been more like aware of like speed and depth is of utmost priority?
Crazy. It's just like...
Yeah, exactly. That's why we can't be intending to do anything to the body. The body has to be the one that dictates the speed and the depth to us. That's what makes us good therapists.
This class will give you the science, the techniques, and the confidence to create lasting results and set you apart as the therapist clients trust and refer.